What's up guys, Ackeem still here. Now in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and a review of this card holder right here, which I basically got in this package. So I'm just gonna unlock it, and this can hold up to 5 cards, which is really great. So if you want to keep your card for storage in an art case, this is one of the holder that you can basically get on Amazon. So I'm just gonna unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. So basically come in this casing, as you can see right here, and the card holder guys looks something like this. So behind the back right there you can see we have a clip. If you want to clip this like onto your waist to basically transport around, you can transport easily with this right here, and this is how it look. So what you can do, you can slide your card inside right here and it can hold up to 5 cards. It's very sturdy. Front part right here you can basically see through like the card that you have inside. Behind the back here is plastic, and this little thing right here that can hook on is metal, and it's really great. It can hold a lot of amount of card, and the card and this can work perfectly fine. And this is something that I find interesting, and I was sent this to do an unbox it off to basically voice my opinion. It's pretty sturdy, so it holds your card quite fine. 5 cards is the amount that this can hold, and it's really great. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace out.